This is Tim of ArkansasCorgis.com. This is the yellow ID boy from Cleopatra and Jack, born on November 15th of 22. He's currently 3 weeks old. His teeth are coming in and they're looking great. He will be a red corgi, just like his father Jack. For details on his markings, see the younger video of him. But he has a beautiful white stripe on his face. It looks a little big now, but as he gets bigger, his head gets bigger, he'll kind of grow into that marking. In this litter, he is the bigger boy, but not by a whole lot. This litter's a little bit more vocal than the other litter. The other litter, in their videos, they're a week older, and they just kind of, laid around mostly. This litter wants to be up and about and back to their mama. Okay, it's Yellow ID Boy from Cleopatra and Jack, born on November 15th of 22. Bye, boy. He's done.